dump truck. For all our dump trucks, the cargo box body all is new, brand new, fabricated. The bottom of the cargo box is 8mm, side is 6mm. Also, we make very strong reinforcement block on the cargo box. And the detail is, for this welding, we have make no welding place glue. So the rainwater and dust water cannot get into here and make the cargo box rust. No, that will not happen. As you can see, this is also used tire for highway, and new oil tanker, new exhaust. Let's come to see the hydraulic. There's no any problem of the hydraulic system, and we have guarantee on this. As you can see, this one is left driving, so you can see by your own eyes.